This is the Elf Christmas card craft, and this will make 2 Christmas card elves, and you can make it into a card, so you can open it up and write a message in there and give it to a loved one. So first you'll take the elf card template and you'll cut out each of the pieces from the template. They are all labeled by what they are and what the corresponding paper is. So you'll cut out all those pieces and then you can trace them onto the labeled paper. So then take your craft paper and fold it in half hamburger style and crease the edge. And then you'll put the crease at the top and then put the flat part of the face at the top. And then move it over all the way to the edge so then you have room to use the craft paper for the ears as well. And you'll cut that out and then you can trace the ears onto the craft paper and you can flip it over to use the other side of the craft paper. And you should be able to get both those ears on there. Then you'll trace the triangle onto the green and the collar onto the red. And then you can take some glue and put it along the crease on the front of the elf card and glue the hat on, and then you'll put some glue on the collar and you'll glue that to the back of the card. And I found that the Elmer's glue worked better for that. Then you'll take the Elmer's glue and you'll glue on all the cotton balls along the bottom edge of the hat and then the white palm at the tip of the hat. Then you'll glue the ears on, just put a little bit of glue on the bottom corner of each of the ears so that the ears stick out a little bit. And then you can put the googly eyes on. They have sticky on the back, so you can pull that off and stick those on. And then the red palm goes on for the nose. And then you can use a black marker to draw the mouth and a red crayon to draw the cheeks. Then you can write your message in the card if you'd like and give it to a loved one.